Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com. Today what we're going to do is compare an in-floor conversion system versus a fold-out conversion system and talk about the pros and cons. Both ramping systems offer substantial weight capacities while being light and easy enough to remove for servicing. The fully automatic in-floor ramp system allows the sleek look of hidden hardware to gain extra width between the two sliding doors. With the touch of a button, your sliding door will open and your ramp will deploy as the van kneels. In the event of a power failure, this system includes a manual cranking tool to allow you to bring the ramp in and out. Although coming in at a higher cost, this is the superior of the two models. The fully automatic fold-out ramping system is just as easy to maintain. Although it decreases the width between each sliding door, this system offers a lower cost per conversion. Once the sliding door is opened, the ramp folds out automatically while the van kneels. In the event of a power failure, simply fold or unfold the ramp manually. Be sure you have enough space to load and unload your chair.